Hey, here's the follow-up on the video I did last week. I'm going to show you how you can create customer portal using your Notion database. It's very simple. Let's say you have this agency task database. I want to share with each client the tasks that are related to them and only these tasks. It's super easy to use. For each client, I have a unique link right in Notion. I can click it. And I get a link listing all of the data right from Notion only for these clients. I can click the Facebook link, for instance, and I get all of the Facebook tasks. The coolest part is I can just add a new task. Let's say mission test. Assign it to Facebook, give it a price, a random date, random description. And then if I go and reload the Facebook page, it appears live data from Notion. Now, let's say I have a new client. I go back to my task database and I'm going to create a new task named Mission OpenAI. Easy. I can just add a new client, OpenAI, give it a price, a date. Then I can open the client's database where the OpenAI client was created, and it already has a link since this is a formula. I can click on it and I have a unique link to share. That's it. Done.